and welcome to Desta. Today I will show you how I cook yellow split pea stew mildly spicy. First thing, I will put 2 cups of yellow split pea and 4 cups of water in the pressure cooker and cook it for 6 minutes. Then peel and wash 2 onions, medium size onions, and dice them and chop them with this handy onion chopper I have. And we will prepare the ingredients that I need for cooking while the yellow split pea cooks. Next is gonna be this ginger root. I'm going to go ahead and peel and prepare this ginger and process it for the rest of the week. I am not using all of it in this cooking. I just like to prepare extra ginger and garlic usually and put it in a freezer and use it throughout the week since I cook with them almost all the time. So I will go ahead and process this ginger with half a cup of olive oil. I will blend it and put it in ice cubes, and it will be ready to use next time I cook. Now I have prepared everything I need. I will start the cooking process. First thing is going to be cooking the onion. I'm going to cook it by itself until it finishes the water in it and becomes translucent. Once the onion is soft and translucent, I will go ahead and add cooking oil. You add your choice of cooking oil. Let the onion simmer with the oil for about a minute or so, and I will go ahead and add garlic that I prepared previously and froze. I will go ahead and mix up the garlic with the onion, and the next ingredient is going to be the ginger we just prepared. I will add a little bit of it, about a tablespoon. The garlic was about 2 tablespoons. And the ginger about a tablespoon, and mix that well with the oil and let it simmer for about a minute. Then comes berbere. I'm using 1/3 of a cup here just because I don't want it to be too spicy. If you would like it to be spicy, you can add more. If you want it to be less than 1/3 of a cup too, you may also do that and use tomato paste for the color. Right now I will still go ahead and use tomato paste just because it will make the taste a little bit sweeter. Here I'm adding a teaspoon of Corrorima or Ethiopian Cardamom just for the flavor. Here comes the 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix it well and cook it for about a minute. Stir well so it doesn't scorch in the bottom, and the next ingredient is an optional ingredient. I am using it just because I have a little bit of leftover, so that's about 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Salt to taste. I'm adding a teaspoon here. And when it's time to add water, I'm going to rinse the cup that I just used to blend the ginger with, just to get the rest of the ginger that stayed in the cup. Stir it well so it doesn't scorch on the bottom and cook about a minute. And the sauce is getting nice, and it's about time to add the yellow split pea. Now go ahead and add the yellow split pea we pressure cooked. Mix the yellow split pea carefully as it splatters so crazy. That's why I'm putting the lid on quickly. And keep cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes. Since the split pea is already cooked, we just need it to blend with the sauce we cooked. Add a little bit of water to get the consistency to where you like it. Mix it well and let it cook for about 5 more minutes, and we're done. This is the end product. Ethiopian style yellow split pea stew, mildly spicy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more Ethiopian recipes, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.